their acts, and some acts are trying to cram a lot into themselves.
Now, Seamus is attempting a new world record tonight, OK?
He's gonna spew! Congratulations, you broke the world record and you ate 3 donuts in a minute.
What? The world record is 3? That's too easy.
Some more chicken, have some more pie. It doesn't matter.
It's really powdery.
Actually, it's not that easy.
You won the world record. I never want to see it again, though, just quietly.
I got a new world record, and hopefully it's mine for a little while.
Where could you go to from there, though?
Coffee?